everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is to use Sizzix. Next week's theme will be graduation. So let's just jump right in. So this week I am concentrating on this die, which came from Hobby Lobby. Using the butterfly is what I'm concentrating on this time. I am also using this pack of papers from My Creative Time. This is retired, but I really love this paper, so I bought an extra one. We also have Springtime Wishes stamp and dies, and that's where I got the Thinking of You from. And then also from My Creative Time, I am using the Eyelet Doily dies. And then this is also from My Creative Time. This is the 3.75 by 4.75 card-based layer dies. And if you'd like to use my code for a discount, just type in MOE and you'll get your 10% discount, or on release weekends, it's 15% off. And then last but not least, I am using We Are Memory Keepers nesting circle dies. So that is it for that. I did forget to bring out one more die set from My Creative Time, which is the strawberry flower plate dies or something like that. I forgot the name of it, but I'm usually always saying thank you to Christine, which is Shabby Pink House, for making me these flowers. And so anyways, that's where I got that from. And I did forget the flourish dies too from My Creative Time. Sorry about that. But anyways, this is what I created. I added a bunch of little gems in the inside of that butterfly in the wings span there. And I also added some gems on the antenna and everything else. I believe you can see right there. This is that paper that came from that paper pack that I was showing. Thinking of You, I just laid right down there. Love these flowers. I thought that was added the perfect touch. And yeah, so that's what I created for you this week. There goes the inside of that. And so if you have time, please use our hashtags. I will be also entering this into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and the links to the ladies will be down below. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.